video today. Today is going to be a sick video because we are getting the Mitsubishi Evo, a full-on roll cage. I'm talking auto power 6-point with an added X bar. The local Evo owner is actually pouring out his Evo, and he had a roll cage for a really good deal. So I hit him up. I'm on my way to his house right now. He's around 40 minutes away. It's super early in the morning. Once I get there, I'll show you guys the car, the cage. We'll come back home. We'll probably have to remove the tint since roll cages look better when you can see them. And then after that, I'll probably go to my buddy's Alex's house and install the cage there since he has a roll cage on his Subaru STI as well. So once I get to the guy's house, I'll show you guys the Evo and we'll continue on from there. And you're also selling the diffuser, huh?
Yeah.
This is a version 1. Dude, I wish it was a version 2. I would have low-key picked it up. Why are you getting rid of the car though? You got
I just like I don't really have I started school.
Oh, got you.
I'm in nursing.
Yeah.
So I don't have like time.
And it's done. We got the whole cage fit in the back right now, so all that's left is to put the bolts in it and then just finish it up. Alright, and just like that, we are at Alex's house. So what's up?
What up?
This is his Subi STI. As you guys can see, he already has a roll cage. I think he has a Cusco version, but it's pretty much the same thing. He's gonna be helping us today. For starters, as you guys know, I left the roll cage at home. My door's locked, but there's nothing back there. We're gonna start off by removing the window tint.
Took it to the top, got the damn top drop, 2-color flip flop and the red lollipop.
Alright, and just like that, we pretty much got the whole tint off. As you can see, you could pretty much see inside the interior really clearly now. Obviously, you might not be able to tell in camera, but in person, it's really noticeable. At this point, I'm actually going to go back home real quick, pick up the roll cage, come back here, and then we'll go ahead and install on the install. And just like that, I got the full cage in the car somehow, in a hoodie, because it's like super cold out here in California right now. It's like, we're like in the 40s and 50s, which is super cold for us. I know you East Coast guys are like, that's nothing, but we're freezing out here. So I'm gonna go back to Alex's house. We're gonna start on the install. I'm not even sure if the guy gave me like the full hardware, so we might have to go to like Home Depot and stuff, but we'll figure it out right now. So I'll see you once we get there. We'll see what's up. Yeah, we made it. I mean, we could probably take the cage out, put it on the grass, and then like kind of form it. Yeah. Because I don't even think he gave me all the bolts. Like, it's a little bit of bolts. All right, so we got the full layout on the grass here. Alex is actually gonna go ahead and move the car so we could put the Evo inside. And I do have to clean the inside because it's filthy, and once the cage is in here, it's gonna be really difficult to get in here with a vacuum and, you know, wipe everything down, so. It's your first time driving one?
Wow, bro.
Damn, shit, my bad. Alright, so we're actually trying to piece it together. As you can see, the front passenger and driver ones go into this portion of the cage. Then we have this that attaches to the rear seat portion, and then these pieces right here attach to this, and then this middle piece here basically attaches like this. I don't know if you guys can see the layout, kind of how it goes, but we're definitely missing some bolts. Oh, my bad. All right, so we went ahead and counted. We're basically gonna be needing 6 of these. These are the type of bolts that basically are going to attach the whole cage together. And the previous guy was running these to bolt to the bottom of the floor. He wasn't even running plates under. But honestly, I'm probably gonna get something more along these lines because they are thicker and bigger. And I think it's just a little safer. Either way, it doesn't have a plate under, which is really, I feel like, necessary for the car to be safe. So eventually I have some made, but for now we're just gonna go ahead and drill it down with those bolts. We're gonna go to Home Depot, pick up the rest of them, and then we'll come back and actually start installing the cage. All right, cage is inside, garage is good. Taking this Mitsubishi. We got the goods. Let's go home. And Justin just pulled up. Sick ass. This was the hard one to put in. So part of the receipt. Alright, so what we have planned is basically to remove this receipt first. And after we attach everything, we're going to go ahead and see if we're actually able to put this portion of the receipt back on. To remove these, you basically remove this bolt, that bolt, and like 2 more bolts down there. No? Kinda, yeah. What about your side?
Yeah.
Alright, we pretty much got attached to these guys right here, as you can see. Now we're going to attach the front portion of the bar to basically attach it to this portion, and then we'll go ahead and do the front one, and then after that we can start drilling. As you can see, this is where it's going to go onto the chassis, and then we're probably going to take out the rear wheels and then attach the nut from the other end as well. So there you go, man. Look how sick this thing looks already. It's like crazy insane. Alex is just adding some washers to the bolts, and then we're going to start what, drilling? Yep. But I'm already digging the setup though. Looks freaking insane. Damn, dude. Alright, so at this point, we got all the bolts pretty much tied down. At this rate, we're pretty much ready to bolt into the chassis here, here, and in the front as well. And like I was previously mentioning, the glove box is no longer functional. So that comes with any auto power 6-point. So I had to take everything out. So, but other than that, it looks pretty legit in here. Now we're just gonna go ahead and start drilling and see how it looks at the end. Oh God. Can't go back now. Can you see it? Can't see anything. Oh, I just saw it go through. Alright, so usually you have plates that go down here for extra support. The guy didn't give me any. So eventually I'm going to get the cage powder coated, and I'm also going to get the plates made. But this is just for right now, so we have it on. But if you're doing this, I highly advise getting some plates made and doing everything legitimately. And just like that, we went ahead and drilled all 4 holes. Added some washers and the nuts on the bottom as well. This is what I mean where you need the plate frame made. It's just for extra support so you don't start bending the chassis. So we're going to go ahead and start doing all of them basically, except for the ones in the rear, because for that one we're actually going to lift the car up, take out the wheels, because you do not want to poke a hole through here and then it puncturing your tires. So once we're done with the front setup, we'll get back to you guys. Here. Alright, so at this point we're pretty much ready to drill, and I'm gonna wait to see where they pop out right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and attach everything. So go for it, yeah. Woo! Alright, so at this point Alex went ahead and finished up bolting down the rest of the bolts for the rear right here. At this point we're just pretty much gonna put the wheels back on the car, put it back on the ground, vacuum everything because it's a mess, put the rear seats back on, see if the actual rear seat portion right here fits, and from there we'll go ahead and go to a photo shoot. And just like that, it's officially done. It looks sick. We went ahead and put the back seats on. Obviously this part of the seat doesn't fit all the way, as you can see right here, but we still managed to make it look kind of normal. I went ahead and vacuumed the whole car. At this point the car's pretty much ready for its photo shoot. So I'm gonna roll a quick cinematic of everything.
Be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see where it take me. Toughen me up, but y'all niggas can't break me. Got the clip off safety, and that's just for my safety. Niggas want a ball, but don't play D. Damn, I'm asking the Lord for protection. Yeah, I'm counting this money while counting my blessings. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pray for better tomorrows. Pray for better tomorrows. I'm praying for better days, cause it gotta be more than this. Shit, it gotta be something else. It gotta be more than wealth. It gotta be more than health. It gotta be better places. Reunite with familiar faces. For that day I'll be waiting. For that day I'll be waiting. Just gotta stay patient.
Alright guys, just like that, we did the full cage inside. As you guys can see, it looks freaking sick. I'm super excited. Alex also did a full behind the scenes video at the park of the whole shoot. So I'll link his channel up right here. Besides that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next.
Reminiscing only keep me tripping, cause I'm here but you missing. I can smile today, but I remember that feeling. And that'll never go away, that's true growing pains. Shit strange with you not around. Late nights, we would ride to town. I wasn't worried about nothing. Didn't care about nothing.